Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The February treasure track has just come out, so let's get into the video. So alright, as you can see right here, there is a new treasure track, and I believe this is out on all accounts. My main account has it, it didn't last time. And so we can go to Wizard Watch and we'll get a little preview. And it says, new treasure track available now, answer math questions to earn rewards and a mythical epic pet. So we'll be getting Solar and Tropical Pomprinkle, I'm pretty sure, and then the Rainbow Lion, I'm pretty sure it's called. So if we go ahead and make our way over to the treasure track, I believe these things are new. This definitely looks new. And now we can go ahead and look at the rewards. So to start off, I can go ahead and claim a sushi chair, I don't remember what it's called, 500 gold and 100 Florian. So at the next one, we'll be getting Memberworks and this. Next, we'll be getting Snow Puppy Morphs, which are new. Those are kind of weird. I'm sad that they didn't give you the morph, or the Snow Puppy Buddy for people that didn't have the treasure track. And then we'll get Pomprinkle, which isn't for members now. Then we'll get Solar, some more Morph Marbles, some Fireworks, and then we'll get Pomprinkle's Evolvement Spindle, I don't remember what it's called, and then the Rainbow Lion. These are not like set rewards, you can get them at different times. For example, you could start off getting Solar as your thing. It's just different from person to person. But yeah, it does look very cool. So this is going to end in 27 days, meaning that it's going to end on March 3rd. So then we'll probably get the next one the next day, hopefully, and then it will just continue on like that. I have gone and checked the CDN, and there does appear to be a lot more stuff that we can look at, but I'm gonna say that for another video because I'm a jerk, and because it also appears that there's a lot of stuff to cover. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end up the video here and go look at what stuff there is for me to look at. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see that video on what other stuff there is in the CDN, that's another reason to subscribe. And yeah, bye.